Next, we look at the array ADT. This is the small set of operations the array promises, and the rules you must follow when you call them. The array ADT is a small contract. It lists the operations you can do, and it lists the preconditions. A precondition is a rule you must keep before you call the operation. These rules are your responsibility. C does not check them for you. Let's walk the operations one by one. First, create of n. This reserves n contiguous slots. The precondition is important. The capacity is fixed at creation. Once you make the array, that number of slots cannot change. Next, get of a and I. This returns the element at index. The rule is that I must be at least 0 and less than the size. If you go outside that range, it is out of bounds, which is undefined behavior. Next, set of a, I, and v. This overwrites element I with the new value v. The rule is the same as get. I must be at least 0 and less than the size. Next, traverse of a. This visits every element in order from the first to the last. There is no precondition here. You can always walk the whole array. Next, insert of a, I, and v. This places v at index I and shifts the rest of the elements one step to the right. It has two rules. Index I must be at least 0 and at most the size, and the size must be less than the capacity, so there is room to grow. Last, delete of a and I. This removes element I and shifts the rest one step to the left to close the gap. The rule is that I must be at least 0 and less than the size. Notice this whole right column. These are the preconditions. Keeping them is your job, not the arrays. If you break one, C will not warn you. This is the big limit. A C array fixes its capacity when it is created. It cannot grow. So there is no such thing as inserting into a full array. You must have size less than capacity. Making arrays that grow is the next lesson on dynamic arrays. Let's check your understanding. An array has capacity 8, but only 5 elements are in use, so the size is 5. For a get, which indexes are valid, and for an insert, which positions I are valid. Pause and think before the answer appears. This is the answer. For get, I must be from 0 to 4 because those are the live elements. For insert, I can be from 0 to 5. Index 5 means append at the end, and there is room because 5 is less than 8.